Hey guys, so I'm going to Mario's event. It's a masterclass and we are at the Mermaid and I'm going to bring you right through it and hope you enjoy it as much as me, and let's go to it now. And I'm going to go in now and I'm very excited. So this is it. I'll see you guys in. Bye-bye. Hey babe, so I have just finished. Oh my god, wait, not really. I got shot. Hey babe, so we just finished lunch and look where now. Hello! This is so fun. You guys love it so far?
We love it, it's amazing.
Hey guys, what is it? So he just had an amazing tip, so here we go.
Guys, the best tip for great makeup is take your time and use lots of brushes. One for application, one for blending, and one for second blending.
This is it. Hey babe, so we just finished the show and we're in Mario's masterclass. Hi, I'm Michelle. I just had to do. Yes. This is so amazing. We're about to take our photo with Mario. I'm very excited. This is both our first masterclass and we have to do it. And yes, we're here. We're excited. This is the queue, by the way, guys. We're on there. We're almost there. Hey babes, I just finished the event and I'm very excited to show it to you guys. And yes, I'll see you guys soon. Hey babes, I have just arrived. I'm very thrilled and excited. I had so much fun actually. I'm still buzzing. You have no idea. I was there, Mario's there, and like it was just so unreal. That was a lot. It was a lot, but I was able to accomplish it. I bet Mario was tired, but it was all fun. So the masterclass also gave out £1,000 worth of products to be given out. So this is how it looks like. Yes, this is it. And if you want to see me do a bit of unboxing of the product inside, because I haven't actually seen them yet, then comment in the section below. And yes, as always, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell your friends. But for now, I'll see you guys in the part 2 of my video. So stay tuned. Bye-bye. Yeah, are you guys having fun?
Absolutely.